Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day so far. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the results I have from taking these hair supplements. This isn't sponsored at all. This is just me trying to make my hair grow. So I bought this bottle of supplements on Amazon a little over a month ago now. These are the Hairfluence supplements. I think it was probably about like $20 a bottle. You get 60 supplements in here. It's recommended that you take 2 a day. I just take them at the same time when I do my multivitamins and stuff like that. So I take them every morning. The last week or two I've been pretty lazy about taking them just because all this new stuff is, I just threw them on the ground, all this new stuff is happening in my life. So I've been a little off track with that, and I have not been wanting to take that many before I film my video about my hair length growth. So this is the new length we're dealing with. I would say that probably an inch of this hair is new. My hair pieces around my face are definitely longer, which is really nice. I'm really excited. But yeah, I would say when I first started, my hair was like close to really the top of my armpit, which, I mean, that's below my armpit now. So I would say I had about an inch of growth, which is pretty exciting. If you are new to my channel or newer, I had a very long dark brown hair. It didn't stay dark brown for that long, so I was using semi-permanent dye, but I had very long, pretty hair, and then I decided to go blonde, and then I went back to brown, and now I'm at this color, and I'm about to go back to dark brown, but I'm staying dark brown. I'm done with being like a honey blonde. Any variation of blonde, my hair will probably fade to a light brown, but as soon as it's faded, it's going back to dark brown, okay? Yeah, I really miss having dark brown hair. It just looks a lot better on me, and I'm excited to have it back. So I really wanted to see how much I could grow my hair before I felt comfortable coloring it. I think I've had my honey blonde hair for maybe 2.5 to 3 months, something in that realm, and really I tried to give my hair at least 3 months between changing any kind of color or doing anything, you know, that severely chemically, not damaging, but altering, if you will. So time's up. My birthday's October 27th. I told myself I would have, am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh my god, scared the shit out of myself. Anyway, my birthday's at the end of October. I told myself, I have it written down on my bulletin board up there, that I want dark brown hair for my birthday. So, yeah, so I have an inch or so of new hair, and I'm excited to keep taking these supplements, and maybe I'll come back in like another month and show you guys results from that. Hopefully it'll be like down here. But yeah, so I'm super happy with the results. I'm really excited. I'm happy I bought the bottle of pills. It sounds wrong when I say pills. I need to start saying supplements. I'm really happy I bought the bottle of supplements. If you're interested, I will link them down below. So, yeah, these are my results. I'm really happy. I am still using that shampoo and conditioner. However, I probably only actually, you know, wash my hair 3 times a week. So I just haven't been going through it as fast. I'm pretty much at the bottom of both of the bottles, and I'll be rebuying soon. But yeah, I will leave those down in the description box as well. The shampoo that I used was a Biotin Shampoo, and that one I really liked. It really felt like it cleaned your hair. Basically, you massage it into your scalp for 3 minutes, or not 3 minutes, you massage it into your scalp and then let it sit for 3 minutes so your hair and your scalp can, you know, soak up the biotin, and then rinse it out. And when you rinse it out, you like, it really got all of any, you know, dry shampoo, leave-in conditioners, anything that I put in my hair I could tell was gone, which is really nice. My head always felt very clean. And then I would do the same thing with the conditioner. That was the Silk 18 conditioner that had a whole bunch of different silk amino acids in it, and that made my hair really soft. I want to do a hair mask with that one day and just see like what the difference is, because as soon as you put it on your hair, it just like melts down your hair, and your hair is so soft like from the second that you put it on. So good stuff, you guys, good stuff. I am happy with my hair growth. All 3 of those products together were probably around like $40-45. Prices change here on Amazon, so if you do want to buy all 3, you might not get them for that same price, but that was kind of in the realm. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys my update. I probably will be coming back after I finish this next bottle of pills and just showing you guys where the update is. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.